I have no scroll menu. Awesome.
You're gonna have to respawn.
Might be for the best.
How about TFR, Daisy?
No.
Where'd I get a Night Stalker from?
Let me just...
Wait, is TFR meant to be on?
Yes.
I didn't know.
Crazy,
How
do you
about-
want to paste me the script at some point, because we didn't know it earlier? I'll save it in my little toolkit.
Sorry, fellas.
Oh, you're here now. Cool, you can hear me. Yeah, I've just done a test to see if I can get it to all run server side, and you can, so I will pay.
Oops.
You cut out, mate.
I've got tomorrow off work, so I will make the effort to.
I'll make the amends to the actual mission.
Yeah, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'm probably just going to stick Arsenal in, open it, and fuck the rest.
Did you get my
Oh, the Arsenal's working.
Did you get my message about the guys making PO4? What he said about the medical system, etc.
No, I didn't. What's cracking?
He said it would be totally customizable, so you can choose between PO3s, BIs, or ACE3s.
Oh, right. Oh, because I'm guessing he's going to build it to be compatible with his
Everything, yeah.
How did you get that ghillie suit?
They're in Arsenal, the new ones.
I bought it off eBay.
Damn, how much?
500 quid.
I'm going to take some extra mags this time after what happened the other day.
Don't say.
Duck Raiders, shall we see if any of these buildings can blow up?
Are you still bleeding?
I think so.
Shall we see if we can blow up any of these
your right
buildings?
shoulder.
Duke is fine, I bandaged him myself.
Oh well, he's got a spray can in his shoulder then.
It's weird.
Well, you know, the enemy will fear him then.
Let's have a look.
See him bleeding and
He's
just
so
run.
hard.
Alright guys, we almost set up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got mine from eBay too.
I got mine from the pound shop.
Slav.
I've got your AA, Slav.
Slav. Is he here?
I'm safe.
Wait, can people hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Slav, alright.
Yeah, what's up?
You need me as anything in particular, mate? I may as well play with you guys now.
Are you in my team?
I can be in a sec, but...
Who's the gilly with the launcher?
No, I'm not sure. Not anything specific right now. Can't really think of anything.
What the fuck?
Who's making what noises?
Right, I've got A.
This guy here.
Evernoise got A.
I'll get AT.
I've got 80.
Blaze should be back soon.
That's really annoying.
Nah.
Is everyone now going to run around in
Ghillie suits.
ghillie suits?
Sounds good.
Yep.
Sounds good to me.
Girly suits, as I call them.
I love it already.
You still here, John?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
I bought the bird over for you.
Thank you very much.
So I want to hide in the bush.
The ground.
Oh, holy
I'm
shit,
sorry.
there's an M14 in here.
There's a lot of Go on, sorry, to you.
Belly flop it.
Did I see what? Sorry.
Did you see me belly flop it when we came back from the last run?
No, but impressive work to get it back here.
Yeah. Forgot to put the gear down at the last second there.
Can we just all, like, ride in on quad bikes?
And, I thought, I couldn't see whether your gear was down.
Oh, look at this ninja.
I don't know what happened to it. It just.
We have a lot of AA just outside the base to the north.
What's wrong with my ghillie suit?
Yeah,
Yeah, bro, they're like looking really shitty.
was in maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna
Might be a
reconnect.
good
I think my
shout.
TFR's fucked up.
Tank out there.
Oh, if you zoom in on it with a scope, it fixes it.
Slav, how do you feel about taking a convoy?
We could do that.
It's just way too much AA between here and there.
Yeah, I realize.
Yeah, we should just all ride in on quad bikes.
Alright, Jam, let's bring some vehicles around for
I
them.
need to scope in on you.
Convoy, yay.
What are the MGs like?
Please don't shoot me.
Yeah, they're alright.
See, they didn't even see us.
Yeah.
How do I scroll through this?
Funny enough, I still prefer the Jimpy in a way, you know what I mean?
These guys would be
Although
dead.
it kicks like hell with this update.
How do I
wouldn't
scroll
see us.
through this command menu?
Get used to it.
Like, there's more players than there can fit.
Has it got the... Whee!
Skysaurus.
I know, of course, it's a mod.
Who's logged in as admin? We can't take the vehicles.
Why am I still hearing a jet?
No, that should be crazy.
May I
Engine's
enter?
not turned off.
Right, I'm just gonna restart my armor. My TFR's not working.
Did you activate
Say
the
it walk
plugin?
like a gangster.
Yeah, pretty sure I
Activate your
have.
plugin.
Is he on
You
30?
should have, or you can.
Yeah, I have.
Are you running it in administrator mode?
Yeah, it's tipped on armor sync as well.
There you go.
Or the teams? That works.
Alright.
User disconnected from your channel.
What's not working? What's bugging out? No reply.
These ghillie suits are just like broken.
User joined your channel.
I want to go
Alright,
blow
let's see
more
if this
shit up.
works.
It's crazy AFK.
Yeah, it just says, looks like TFR radio is not enabled.
I think Titan's trying to talk to you, Casey.
I can't hear.
Yeah.
He's asking if you could log off on.
Right, guys, let's get to the vehicles. Rally at the vehicles. We're not gonna use a chopper, right, Titan?
No, that's correct. We can't get in the vehicles though, we need a qualification.
Oh, hold. I should be able to give it to you.
You should be able to log in now, Titan.
I have quad bikes.
Oh, I'm not authorized, apparently.
Don't worry, I just realised I was squad leader, I could sort it myself.
Right, do you two pilots maybe want to take a tank then? Oh, you are.
Let's take some normal vehicles as well, hunters.
Can we grab a hunter? I'll grab mine too.
Yeah, guys, spread out in the hunters. Have you got gunners?
Negative. Should I get 50 cal or 30mm? 20. One of each. Right, I'll get a 50. I can go gunner for a change. Yeah, we need 2 gunners at least.
See if you can get this.
Need permission.
I don't have everyone in my team right now that's in the server, so maybe you can scrounge guys. I suggest you and Jammer just take the same one.
Hello?
Oh, Jammer, part that one up, we'll just take one.
Yeah, you two take one and then leave one for the pubbers maybe. Just tell them they're free to take one.
Hold on.
Right.
What the fuck?
Oh,
what happened to that tank?
helicopter?
Get out of heli coming in.
We have base defenses, guys. Don't
That
worry.
makes perfect sense. Is that guy talking
Still
inside?
need a camera up front.
Hello.
Can we shut him up?
God, my Fez is knackered.
You're getting in this front tank.
How do we flip another tank? How does this keep happening? Right, any room in any of these vehicles?
Okay, you go.
There's
I think Duke's AFK. Does someone want to jump in as a gunner on the tank? I was told not to. I'll jump in. But I'm happy to. Oh, Jammer, there you go, Jammer. Still with
There's still one.
Still do with the 50 cal.
Middle punter.
Should we not have another tanker?
Alright, I'm on. Is there no more room in the front, Hunter?
There there's passenger seat in the front Hunter.
Alright, we good to go?
Yep.
Grizz, yeah, we've
Nope.
got somebody on the gun.
Copy that. I'm gonna dot out a route.
Yeah, he did.
Guys, try and keep the spacing quite large, because if you lag out, you're going to crash into the back of somebody.
Me? Nah, man, I haven't got that mod yet. What mod is that? I might actually already have it. Nope. I'm not actually too sure.
Also bearing 270 from our position. Infantry in the road. Can't see if he's armed or not.
In the mod folders, it come up as like something 0.9.7 or something like that. It's not me.
Stop for?
Fuck it, it's just an infantry.
Who's the gunner in the front, Hunter?
Guys, keep staggered spacing so that if you have to brake, you're not going to slam into the back of someone, you'll shoot past them.
Alright, who's the gunner in the front Hunter?
He's moving it.
Shit, Slav, I've gone off course.
Oh.
Wise words. Same. I'm getting like loads of fucking drops.
Question, did anybody bring any charges?
Yeah, I got charges.
Isn't that Evernight's job?
What charges you got?
C4. I was only asking, Duck, because I only have 3 and there's 4 targets.
Alright.
I can't believe I blew you up.
Griffin, ignore Mark to the left, just continue on forward.
Copy. Someone want to give that guy a TeamSpeak IP?
Right, guys, let's form a line at the hold mark. Form a line of vehicles at the hold mark.
Potential contact bearing 270, approximately 300-400 meters. Looks like groups of infantry on that bearing. I'm getting a thermal signature, but I can't be sure. Sure.
Form a line left and right of this tank on the hold mark. That would be here.
User disconnected from your channel.
Drag to the right, mate.
Some better spacing, please.
I can't be certain that it's actually a threat. It's just a thermal signature.
Slowly move forward and spread this line out left and right. Driving this thing. Chris, just take a left.
Copy. Do we have to PID? Are there any civilians in the area?
Negative, no civvies.
Contact bearing 290.
Who's driving this thing? Hello?
Onto the Chevy to my left.
Oh shit, the person who was in the gunner seat swapped. The fuck? Yeah, I'm in it now.
Was Grizz, is he on TeamSpeak here, or? Guessing not.
User joined your channel.
Brilliant.
Can I just ask a question to why I was kicked?
It's probably, it wasn't one of us, it's probably just Arma being Arma, mate.
That's alright.
Sometimes.
Just to let you guys know there's a contact
Back up,
red
I've got
rock ahead of you.
Hold here, let's take care of these contacts, guys. Or
That's
free to
good.
fire.
I am fucking lagging.
Right track broken.
Looks like you got more than
Yeah,
the
C's not working.
Right, guys, get out of these vehicles.
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish.
Okay, keep this line going. Get out of the vehicles. Keep this line
Let me
going.
finish this,
Don't
Mike.
move.
tank crew down, crawling away from the burning wreck.
Copy that. See if we can get these guys up. Medics.
Shit. You're hit, man. Come in. Get into cover. Get into cover first.
You guys being helped up?
Yeah. Get behind the car, man. Ah, fuck it.
Yeah, I thought.
Negative, we're down.
Copy. I'm pulling back to help you up. No one around is reacting.
Alright, hang up. We got a medic coming in now.
Guys, don't worry about me. I've got to call it a night, so concentrate on it.
Okay, we gotta go, man. We gotta go.
See ya.
Have fun.
Have a good one.
Titan.
Hello. Process
Too bad.
mate.
It's taking ages to get back in.
Can't treat you. Oh, let's go. Oh, right.
User
You're coming out of the
disconnected from
vehicle.
your channel.
That's-
Thank you.
You hear long range, by the way.
Yeah, loud and clear.
Everything's gone quiet.
There's quite good cover if you go back a little bit.
Well, that went
We
well.
either need to move up or take heavy cover because we're not going to survive.
Yeah, I was trying to get people to get over here, but they're not responding. I think they're all covers.
Holy shit, what happened to you guys?
I see you parachuting in.
I was that one thing blew up, everybody stopped, and then we started getting shit.
Oh, I'm not with
Thanks,
this
Buck.
clan.
Joined your channel.
So we started getting shot, and then we stopped.
But who asked me if I was just starting?
Where are the contacts at, Slav?
No idea.
At the town. We're not taking
as a member.
we're
Yeah, it
not
was a
taking
shit
heavy
ton.
fire. It was just we're vehicles, and they always attract like shit tons of RPGs.
Where are they?
no worries, mate,
Way it is. Right, guys. As soon as everyone is up, spread left and right, facing that town. We're gonna
I would
assault
regret
it.
taking a small weapon when shit like this happens.
Yeah, well.
Who's got the new mark? Who's got the new Marksman DLC?
A lot of us.
Oh, it's awesome. I love it. Although it did take away my
Hey, Jack.
rank and all my cash on
What are you looking at me for?
King of the Hill. That kind of annoyed me.
Oh shit.
When do these work guidelines and you go away? I can't really get.
Right, guys. Let's push up. Keep a line going. Keep
I
your
see a
spacing.
fuck ton of them.
We all see them.
Might try my luck on the vehicle gun.
Right, let's keep
Oh
it
my
moving,
God.
guys.
There's fucking tons of them up there.
Anyone who's back at base, you want to hop in this vehicle, I'll take us to the woods where they are.
We best not use a vehicle right now.
Alright, we got some suppressive fire from this this hunter, so let's use it.
Been going out.
Try to keep this line going. Keep your spread left and right.
You getting him, Titan?
We're taking fire here at base.
Yeah, that hunter only had 80 bullets left in it. Oh my god.
Keep pushing.
Move, guys. Keep your spacing. See you bunching up.
Contacts northwest.
This is why we keep spacing.
Oh, it's kicked off the game again. Why is this?
Hey guys, we're getting closer. The fire's getting more accurate. So make sure you take cover. You cover each other as you move. Yeah.
I don't
Yeah, I
get it.
flanked up onto the right hill, right side.
We got enemy
Slav.
up the hill, west northwest by the rocks. Just
Oh
next
shit,
to
that's
the
where
road.
I'm ammo.
That sounds heavy, is it? Wait, I do, but no eyes on it.
Yeah, they have got a tank up there. Someone pushes up to with AT up to me, they'd be able to take him out really easily.
Whereabouts are you, mate?
Up on the hill, right side from where we pushed up. I can't really see from here.
Spread out. Keep the spread.
I've got to go, lads. See
And
you
I don't
later.
know the names of tanks now.
I see you, mate.
User disconnected.
I'm not gonna start firing yet because I don't want them to know I'm here yet. Who's that with the
Did you
AT
get
pushing up
the
here?
AT?
Yeah, come up here, man. Oh,
I just
fuck, you
picked
got
up
hit by
some
a
AT.
tank.
I think it was BGS's body. Used to take out a vehicle.
Alright, mate. I might have eyes on the next one, just waiting for him to take eyes off me.
Copy, guys. Let's just keep moving up, but keep your space.
I think
Sure you cover each other, yeah?
Hitting that tank as best I can.
Copy.
I'm just gonna get behind some rocks so I can heal quickly.
Good hit.
Both out. I'm out of AT.
Tanks down. Good job.
That's alright, I've still got some. I've got 2 AT for the Titan.
Who is that? All the way over at the smoke plume.
That's me, I ended up just moving and moving and moving.
It's
Right.
GMG gunner. GMG gunner's what's hitting you. I'm down, but he's
I'm
far
coming now,
away.
man.
Haven't got eyes on, and I haven't got AT.
I've got it, I've got it. GMG's down.
Copy that, good job.
I'm just gonna drag you into a bit more better cover, mate.
I keep pushing up.
User disconnected from your channel.
Alright, now we're gonna have to fucking start clearing these buildings. If you clear a
Yeah, I know,
building,
I see
mark it on the map in the side channel. Just give it a
Oh
dot.
mate, hang on, I've got a fucking advertisement popping up on my phone. There you go.
Right, I've got to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you, mate.
User disconnected from your channel.
Hit you all.
I'll have it if you want. Actually, no, man, you keep it. Fuck, he's down again.
HMG firing?
Yeah, same place as the GMG, I think.
Have an eye?
I'm taking fire, I've no eye.
User entered your channel.
I'm at the edge of town. Fire's pretty thick once you got to start fucking getting to the buildings.
Two guys, 300 meters in front of us from the hill straight ahead. Might be 300 meters, I didn't know, I was just guessing.
Found one clear at my position, south end.
Alright, get someone to demo it.
I'm getting unbearable lag.
I'm down in this cluster of buildings.
Do you want me to come get you? I can make it.
Mortars?
Please tell me they're ours.
Yeah, I'm pushing up.
No, they're not.
That's enough.
I took out one mortar guy.
What happened there?
I just fucking lagged. What happened? I was down in a bipod and then I'm in like 10 feet in the air.
What the fuck is it? It's like a blood stain. That's all that's left.
No weapons cache out in the middle of the field. Weird.
Oh, it's blowed up.
Yeah, I'll see if it's got anything in it.
Oh mate, I'm back with my fucking 33 mags. I'm done.
Hostile catchment in the air southeast.
Copy that. Trying to get eyes on.
Doesn't seem to have noticed it yet. It's heading towards east of us.
Copy
Far
that.
out.
I'll see if I can get a shot on it.
Yay, unlimited FAKs.
See you later.
Headed for base.
User
Shouldn't
disconnected
need
from
to
your
take.
channel.
Copy, I'll ignore it for now.
Dirk Raider, can you send me a request on Steam? Friend request. Friends! Football friends!
Playmore's
Blow
do
yourself
not do
up
the
once
job.
in there.
Oh,
Oh my god, miss.
What the fuck? Did you just try to kill me?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, I missed.
The crate's on its side, I don't know if that helps.
Oh.
Oh, you tried to RPG it?
Yeah. Let's try this again.
How many people left up where we just got fucked over?
Dude, where did you get shots from?
Just northwest of the target area, on the hill there. Crawling down.
how many cash are down?
I've got one here still, but I can't seem to blow it up. Has anybody got any charges?
And mark it at least then.
Wait one.
Clearinghouse is further west right now. Haven't found any yet.
Seen on the map, Cash. Grid 119184.
Copy, seen. Alright, that means we have 2 caches known right now. One your position, one on the cache here, Mark. Still looking for one more.
I'm trying to RPG it.
There is a static Titan launcher. I'll try and fucking rip it apart.
Any
if you want.
chance marking it for blaze will work for the artillery?
I think it requires direct hit. I'm not really sure.
Copy.
Yeah, this thing just won't go up.
If you run away from it, I'll try.
I feel explosives.
Yeah, has anybody got any for it?
Run away from it. I'm gonna try. Fucking.
Evernod usually has.
Getting a hold of him.
Firing. Here we go.
You got a lot of fire here, Mitchell. I'm not
Oh, that was fucking.
I think we're walking straight for it.
Check 60.
Yeah, I got you.
Is there a safe
Whoa.
safe LZ?
Can somebody go and get Duke? He's on the hill, southwest of the objective.
Yeah, it
try and
is.
get him.
Taking heavy fire on the western side here. I'm not sure from where.
Run into you now, Duke, if nobody else is.
Go ahead.
Cheers, mate. I'm almost there.
Is there a safe
But, you know,
LZ?
whenever sound. Yeah,
Give me a sec. Anything east of our position should be quite clear.
Roger that. I hope so, because I'm running through the east.
Marked LZ 119182. LZ
We got a friendly Huron
119182.
coming in.
With demo charges, I hope?
Yes, give me
Copy.
Who's in the heli? Slab, I'm quite near you.
What?
100 meters out, Duke.
We got AI to the northwest of the objective.
I don't get it. I'm getting
About
very accurate
500
fire
meters
and
out.
no clue from where.
Sure, it's not friendly.
I don't know. I'm
wondered that.
suspecting.
Because I was
I'm
killed
pretty
very randomly.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that some idiot is just fucking shooting at me right now.
Me too, because yeah, you can't tell, but I reckon I was
Not me.
sniped by a friendly.
Pretty sure being shot at by friendly right now. Because as soon as I mention it, it suddenly stopped.
Uh,
So whoever that was, saying on TeamSpeak.
Yeah, there doesn't look like there's any enemies in sight, mate, so...
yeah, I reckon.
I blame Duck. Always Duck.
Duck
Oh,
his
see, and
friendly kills.
the shooting started
Thanks,
again.
Duck.
Yeah,
Or whoever that was.
Can you guys check your map and make sure your targets aren't friendly?
Am I good? Oh, Jack, thanks, Jack.
Yes,
Yeah, and if you're shooting
Oh,
at
no
transit,
shit.
you're an awful shot.
Shit,
where?
there is some down west.
What?
Hold on. See those
Well,
two
is
trees
it
out in the middle of
enemy?
nowhere?
There's some guys southwest.
See a lot of trees.
There's a load of guys
Yeah.
down there a minute ago.
Doesn't really help, actually, the trees, does it?
Rifle's fucking awesome, by the way.
I know. See
Beautiful.
where I'm looking, right? Now
You need
there's like 2 trees with a bush on the left and a bush on the right.
Yeah?
There's like one behind there, somewhere in the foliage.
Really?
Yeah, I
Dick.
shot one of them, but there's another one down there, I'm pretty sure. Mind you, I shot one and the sporadic fire stopped, so maybe not.
Oh, I see a crate.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Can you guide me to it or mark it on the map at least?
Shit, we got contact north.
See one guy.
It's fire team side.
Give me a bearing, mate. Give me a bearing, like.
Bearing
Oh, I see it. I see it.
245. Right between those 2 trees.
Yeah, I see it.
No, take that back. That's a section size to our north. Marked on map.
I marked it on map.
Oh my god, the seat is full open. Evanite, no!
Does anyone here have explosive charges?
No, mate. Fortunately not.
Should we at least start moving towards it? There might be enemy around. Yeah, Jack, you're with me. You guys keep suppressive on it. Jack, come with me.
Slav, there are enemies by that crate, mate. Couple.
Copy.
I think they're off to the right of it now.
That mark is slightly off, by the way.
Yeah, I see the crate though, and they're right next to it.
I'm gonna check some enemy bodies here, see if they have a charge on them.
Good shot.
This guy has a RPG at least. Can you pick it up, maybe?
Yeah, I will.
Take an extra missile for you.
Alright, there we go. I just relayed it.
Alright, we'll have to see whether a missile hit's gonna take it out.
Yeah, missile will most likely do it.
That was pretty close to me, crazy.
I can shave a little off the side if you'd like. Wait, there's still easily a meter in now. I can bring it closer. Don't worry, I won't. I'm taking a piss.
Yeah, that's fine. In fact, I was ignoring you by now.
I'm not smoky, don't worry.
Oh.
One right in front of you, mate.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, right by the crate, to the right of it. I can't get a shot. Ceasefire, you guys, ceasefire, they're on the crate.
Frag out.
Bruce.
Yeah, he's dead.
Hey, Tyler. Hey. Hello. Oh god, it's tired.
Right, Jack, see if an RPG hit's gonna take it out.
I put 3 or 4 into the last crate and nothing. Titan, are you able to bring us back a shitload of demo charges, please? Copy.
Lol. Right, the area here is reasonably clear though.
Just a case of getting the charges, mate, and blowing them up systematically now, I think.
Right, I'm gonna need a demo charge at the yellow smoke west.
Yeah, roger that. Titan's inbound with some in a minute. Because he's good to us like that.
Well view, Titan.
Well, we'll just use the ones for another crate, haven't I? Unless you've got enough for all of them, mate. You have. Titan, scrap that order then, please, mate. Clear. Evan, are you on TeamSpeak? You are. Why? Speak to
I don't
us,
think
Evan,
I don't think he's in a correct channel for the long range because I haven't been able to hail him.
Well, I'm using the short range, you should be able to hear me. Oh, he is responding to what I'm saying, I'm just wondering why he's not talking. Evan, I.
Yeah, pretty sure the RPG's not working.
Yeah. I tried.
Wait, where is the crate?
It's probably blown away with the RPG, but you're gonna have to relocate.
Jack. Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, where'd it go off to?
Well, it could have gone.
It could have
It could have blown up, or it could have flown away.
It could have blown up, or it could have...
Personally, I think it was blown up. Slap, did you get Evan's message there?
It's gonna have to reboot. Come here.
Can you... I'm guessing he wants you to grab his charges.
I got a load of contact here on the northern side.
Roger that, repositioning. Kamish, south side, south.
Whoa, take it easy.
I got it. When it stops firing at us. I'll try and draw its fire, mate. I'm braking left.
Guys, spread out. Nice hit.
Ah, shit, I got a vehicle in my position here. Kamish.
Doing what we can, Duck. Way out.
Right, watch it. Take some distance.
Crate, and I've disconnected. Where's the location? Alright.
My game crashed. Pretty sure.
As I fucking pulled the trigger, I can still hear the lock tone.
It's always the same, mate. It always
Pop
does
smoke.
it as you pull trigger. Slab, you heard to pot smoke?
No,
Duke's
I
got it,
think
Duke's got
my
it.
game just crashed.
Blue smoke.
Area is not clear. There is a K-mish in the area.
Yeah, wave off, Titan, wave off. There's 2 K-mishes in the area.
I hit him already. I thought that was the vehicle you were on about.
You can airdrop it, mate.
Yeah, I didn't know there was a
risk it.
secondary.
Probably not worth risking.
Everyone just got kicked off, Lel.
I'm going into water rotate.
Good. Drop the crate. Christ, place. Get hit by a smaller caliber next time, please.
I'll try, just for you.
Anyone have AT?
I'm out. I used them all on the crate. I'm immediately regretting that decision.
Did you use a PCML on the crate or a Titan?
I used the RPG on the crate.
Jack, do you have AT left?
Got an RPG.
I'll get it.
Oh, do you?
Okay, I'm down safely with the crate.
Hello, Mr. Kamish.
Trees.
Oh, one to our right. One to our right.
Oh, the arsenal crate's gone.
From the southwest. Ah, marvelous.
Crazy, the arsenal crate's gone.
Lol. So,
I'm dead.
just an heli. Oh, it's gonna be heli.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure someone blew it up.
Fire.
Ah, shit.
That was a hit. Looking again. Left spot.
You destroy the last cache and get back to main.
Look at the arsenal, you arseholes.
I don't know. There's a mine here, so I'm guessing one of the pubbers took it out.
Yeah.
Train Vic was over there crazy. That's still up.
I might even parajumping, actually.
Yeah.
Because I'm here with the Cray and the heli.
Quicker, isn't it?
Oh shit, give me some.
Yeah, I'm gonna pair in with you. Can you find the Nick?
Sorry, can I have that minute, please?
Can you find that last cache? Cause it disappeared for me.
User joined your channel.
You think I'd better repair the heli on support with a toolbox?
Wow, creamy.
Alright, Duke, I'm coming to you.
Creamy. Get off.
User was moved out of your channel.
Bedtime. See you guys tomorrow.
See you, Titan.
User disconnected from your channel.
Did we take out all the caches?
Gonna try and alleviate this vehicle problem.
Hi, my name is Mr. Creamy.
User in your channel was banned from the server.
Oh.
LOL. Anybody know who that was?
Who that was?
Some guy called Creamy. Who's achieved nothing in his life. All 12 years of it, from what I can tell.
12 years at best.
Blaze, I'm gonna have to leave the Varso to you, mate. I can't hit it with this.
Did anyone manage to find the last cache?
Negative.
It has disappeared. Did we blow up the other two?
Up to you, mate. I do. No batteries for it though. Cheers, Arsenal.
Guys, if we at least manage to blow up the other two caches, let's just consider this completed.
It's not much left, mate. If we clear these vehicles, we're laughing, so just a case of clearing them.
Need to blow up the caches, right? Trying to say this last one just fucking up here after we shot at it.
Cause I'm free falling.
Alright, we've now got 3 explosive charges. Oh, we just looted some guy's body.
Oh god. That tank is right on top of you. What's it shooting at? Oh god, that'll be me.
Alright, we see you.
Yeah, don't come out here though, it'll just fucking blow to pieces.
I might have a lock on the tank.
Yeah.
Shit, no lock.
That's love.
That's love.
Try and crawl to you.
Cruise out.
Is it down?
I'm not sure, guys.
Are you actually a medic, Jack?
Get me up!
Are you a medic, Jack? Doesn't matter.
No, he's a machine gunner.
Alright.
18.
Right.
I had a 100% record of not dying then, until that tank blew the shit out of me and it instantly died.
Uh-huh.
On the hill, Jack, on the hill. Enemy. Mine 12 o'clock. Mine 12 o'clock. Up there somewhere.
Reloading.
Cruise out the second bar, so just need that cubage. Oh, nice hit, though.
Reloading. Spread.
Oh, it's a fucking helicopter.
You okay? There's a cashman overhead.
You can try kit the cashman.
Oh, can you get me up?
Cashman, I don't know.
I'm down.
Jack?
In the AO.
And Jack.
Should we try and get Meddy back in?
Well, that
no
cashman's gonna
chance.
fuck us up. I'm gonna go to bed in a little bit anyways. I think,
Yeah, me
gonna give
too.
up.
Yeah, same.
Actually, it's 11:30. Yeah, I've got to get up at 6:30. I better call it a day. As much as I'd like to stay.
Now is not the time.
Calling it a day.
Good night.